Hey guys. No. What's up?
I said Leah.
Oh. Take it away. What are we doing? So, welcome back. No. Do I have sound in my teeth? Cool. So, welcome back. I'm here with the one and only Leah Darcy. Wow. We're going to show you guys how she creates a wet kitty look.
Say that. Just see?
A nice, what are you doing? Okay, you describe what you're doing.
A wet wing liner.
So it's a wing liner, but it's a little bit like wet and dewy.
Glossy.
And glossy. Most liner looks are just pretty straightforward. So we're gonna spice it up and do a wet liner. So give it away.
All right. I like to have the model look straight.
Okay.
I like to have the model look straight ahead. I can't.
Wait, what are we using? We're using Huda Beauty.
We're using Huda Beauty.
Life Liner.
Life Liner.
Very Vanta.
Yes, and it's a
Huda.
dual-ended liner. This side has a pencil and then this side has a liquid. I think I'm gonna use both.
Okay. So
Just
I'll
to
look
make sure it's
straight.
super dark. So I just make my shape and then I'll go over it with the liquid to like just seal in the color. So when I put the gloss on, it doesn't
Move.
move.
So she's cleaning it up with some
A little bit of concealer.
concealer
Yes.
to straighten the line.
Yeah.
Very sophisticated.
Yeah.
Or if we want to be a little bit more extra
Bold.
and just like super bold. But I always do like really pretty liner like this, so maybe let's go, like, go for it.
You want to be editorial?
Let's be so fashion. A lot of people say when you do liner to follow this bottom line for that line, is that right?
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Sometimes it's kind of hard to control, so I like to put some liner on the back of my hand like so, and then just take an angled liner brush and apply it that way.
Because you have more control.
Mm-hmm.
Do you ever use like liner to do liner like those paint pots?
Mm-hmm. But we're going for a more like wet effect. So
True. I love it. Other eye. Check it. Take a step back.
Make sure it's even.
I so badly want to scare you, but then
Do
you get
not.
poked in the eye. I'm auditioning. Hi, I'm Leah Darcy, and I'm auditioning for the role of Jasmine Tooks.
That was great. Did you get that?
Did I book it?
I'm just filling in all the little gaps with the liquid, just so it's super black and perfect. Then we're gonna move to the gloss after this.
We're gonna add this sheen, which is by Ctzn Cosmetics, Globalm in Clear, for our wet kitty look.
Yeah.
I don't get how this doesn't smear the black.
That black is not going anywhere. It's like Sharpie.
This comes up good. Let's that hand up. All right, that is our finished wet kitty cat look. Meow. This is our finished, really bold eyeliner look, and we add a little bit of gloss on top to make it a little bit more edgy. So let us know what you think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.